In this video, I'll be walking you through the basic tools of Google Docs, kind of an intro into Google Docs. We'll cover the main toolbar. We'll talk about some easy shortcuts such as underlining, bold, copy and paste. So let's get started. So if you're coming from Word, the first thing you're going to want to notice is where all the tools are. So first you have your main menu bar here. These are going to be the items that you use pretty much on a daily basis or every time you jump into a document. More tools are going to be found underneath File, Edit, View, Insert, this kind of sub toolbar here. If you can't find anything, you can always go into the help and just start typing. So we're going to cover bookmarks a little bit later. If you start typing in bookmarks, you don't remember where it was, you can always go and enter that item or any other item you're looking for into the help, and it'll take you right there. So that's a really easy shortcut for somebody who's new. It should get started, I guess, as an intro here. You're not really going to use a lot of these. I'll teach you some shortcuts for undo and redo. Spell check is here. Really what I use starts about here within the fonts. So if you want to change fonts, you of course come here right next to the number, probably be set on Arial. Of course you can change the font size, and then you have all the typical things in any text document. So you have bold, underline, italic here, and then you can change both the text color and then the highlighted color. So these are pretty straightforward. I guess if we keep going, you have an item here to insert a link, which I'll teach you a shortcut for. Spoiler, it's a little Command K. You can add comments. You can, of course, center or change the alignment of the text by using this kind of lines tool here. This guy here is the spacing, and then you have the bullets. And you've got a few more features there that just don't fit on my screen. One of the things I really like about Google is that as a new user, if you just hover over something and hang out for a bit, some text will show up and tell you exactly what that is. So I would just encourage you to spend 3 minutes opening up each one of these menu items and just taking a look to see what is where. So that's really the main menu bar. Some shortcuts that will save you, and this, by the way, will work in any application, not just Google Docs. It'll also work in Word and a lot of applications across many different computers. But some of the ones that I use are quite often are bold. Bold, copy, paste, sometimes underline, and then sometimes this link guy here. So to bold, you just highlight whatever you want to bold, and then you're going to click Command+B. Now underline is pretty similar, it's just Command+U. So if you hold it, Command+U, and again I'm holding down my command button and clicking the U. And copy and paste are across everything. This is the one that you'll use the most. You get Command+C, and then to paste you actually do Command+V. So Command+C to copy, and then Command+V. Now, if you're moving things around, if you've decided a format doesn't work, maybe my example here, this is retreat communication. If I want to take something out of the welcome guide and put it in the confirmation for payments, one thing I might do is actually Command+X, and that's going to cut something. I want it instead here, and I'm going to paste it there. So, so again, cut is just Command+X, in this case for formatting, and then I'm going to just Command+V to paste it. Now, if I don't want it there, if I don't want anything that I've just done, anything that you might want to undo, you can always do Command+Z, and that is my favorite tool just about anywhere, to be quite honest, is Command+Z. Easy one to, even if you don't know what you just did, you can always go to Command+Z, and that'll save you.